If you've never deployed anything before, this video is just for you. I want to slow it down and show you the step-by-step process to take your web app that you just built with Claude Code and deploy it live on Vercel for you to share with the world. Now, without squirrel ado, let's get into it. All right, so the first thing you want to do, if you haven't done this already, pause this video and go create your free GitHub account. And secondly, create your free Vercel account. Okay, here's going to be the landing page that we're deploying. It's a part of a suite of tools that I'm rolling out per industry. But I just wanted to start capturing emails via waitlist. Very basic. I could make improvements, but I'm happy with the landing page as is. So we're going to keep it. Now, first thing we want to do after you've created your free GitHub account, we want to go over here and create new repository. It's going to be this plus. You're going to see this across your account once you successfully log in. We're going to call this the name of our app or domain, construction, llmo.com. I do want to keep this one private, and that's all I'm going to do here. Feel free to enter in your description if you see fit, but those are the two main things that I'm going to be tinkering with here. Now we have this page. Now we have a blank repository on our free GitHub account. Secondly, you want to copy this HTTPS right here for quick setup, and you want to go back to your project. Now, for the sake of today's demo, I am using Google's Antigravity. First thing we want to do is spin up Claude. Okay, now that you've spun up Claude, we're going to approach this like a true beginner. And we're going to say, hey, Claude, I'm a beginner with deployment. I need your help committing this to GitHub. Here's the HTTPS. And Claude's going to get to work. It's going to help us commit our code. And you just let it run. It's going to run the git init command, which you could do manually, right? But this video is for beginners. So I would recommend just talk to AI like you're a beginner, and it will help you. We're going to continue. We're going to accept. We're just going to blindly accept here because it's going to properly do everything. Now, if you wanted to create, separate branches, like a staging branch first and have that be the default commit, I can go over that in another video. Just let me know you're interested in that type of content and I will spin one up for you. All right. So should be live. So let's just go double check our GitHub account. We're going to refresh this page. And voila, there is our code base. It even made us a awesome README. Wonderful. Okay. Now from here, you're going to go into your free hobby Vercel account that you created when you paused the video at the beginning of this video, right? I've created, a fresh account just for the sake of simplicity. Once you log in and you're in the overview tab, we want to go to add new and project. And then from here I've already added my GitHub account. But let's say you don't have your GitHub account. This is where you go in and you add your free GitHub account that you've also created and uploaded your code base to. And you're going to see it's going to be updated with whatever the name was, plus, the time frame of when it was last updated. We can see here that it successfully synced those changes here. So we're just going to import that most recent pool and we're going to hit deploy. Now, in a perfect world, you won't run into errors. Chances are you might run into errors. And I really hope for the sake of today's demo that we run into errors. And perfect. We ran into some errors. So from here, you don't have to be an expert, right? You just copy paste this entire log and we go back into our terminal and say, hey, we ran into deploy errors on Vercel. And I'm going to paste that in there. Looks like this succeeded. So now, perfect. So let's go back into our GitHub. Let's just make sure that this commit happened just now. Beautiful. And now let's go back and hit deploy one more time. And down here, we should see that new, there we go, fix React 19. So we know it's deploying that latest build. And fingers crossed, it's looking good. It is looking good. And the build is complete. Let's go to our dashboard and check out this public facing domain, and we can see it's live. All right, so now we have our very own live environment, but we want to one up this and we want our own custom domain. So for the sake of today's demo, I am using SiteGround, and here is my DNS zone editor. Let's go back over to our project within Vercel, and we want to click domains right up here at the top. Add domain, and we're going to add our custom domain here. It's constructionllmo.com, and we want to add both of these records. So let's start off with the A record here. We're going to grab this value, go to our DNS zone editor. We want to go back to A, make sure we're toggled on A first, hit create, and voila, it's going to succeed. Then secondly, we want to add the C name. The name is going to be www. We just want to copy this value here. And we'll go back to our editor, toggle to CNAME, put in www, resolves to, copy paste that value, and then hit create. Voila. So now let's go back into our Vercel tab and let's hit refresh. Let's hit refresh. It should be near instant. Depending on your hosting, depending on your domain name registrar, it might take a little longer. SiteGround is known to be very, very quick. So we're just going to keep refreshing until it's done. All right. That took about a minute. About a minute. Great. So shortly, we should be able to test. Now let's click. Now that everything's valid here, let's click our www.constructionllmo.com. And as you can see here, we are live with our very own Claude Code project on our own custom domain, deployed using Vercel. It's never been easier to build. It's never been easier to deploy. So I hope you found some value in today's video. I hope it was slow pace. I hope it was simple and easy to understand. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you're having any difficulties. If you want me to expand even further, I wanted this to be as simple, short, and brief as possible while showing every single step of the way. And yeah, I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me make a particular video around a specific topic, drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is, and I will add a video to my queue, custom tailored just for you. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. My name is Marcelo. This is Clearmud, and clarity matters.